Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video we're gonna learn how to create a Pinterest business account. Open the website, then you will see several options at the upper right part. Click on the option that says Business. Then you will be directed to another website from which you can sign up for a business account. To create an account, you could click either the Create Account button at the middle part of the screen, or the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Now, enter the required information. First, enter a valid email address. Then enter a password you wish to use. And lastly, enter your age. After that, click on Create Account. Now build your profile. On the first field, enter your business name. Then you could add a profile picture for your business by clicking the edit icon. Below that, you will be asked if you have a website. If you have a website, click on Yes, then enter your web address. If none, click on No. After that, select your country/region and the language. Then click on Next. Next is to describe your business. First, select the focus of your brand. Click on the drop-down arrow, then click on the option applicable to you from the drop-down list. Then select the goals of your business by clicking on the tick boxes. You could pick up to 3 options, and you could also change it on the settings. After selecting, click on Next. Here, you will see several options from which you could choose that will describe your business. Click on the option applicable to your business, then click on Next. So you will be asked if you are interested in running ads on Pinterest. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Next. If you click on Yes, you need to answer this form. If not, you could skip this. So here, enter your full name, email, country code, and phone number. Then you will be asked if you are an advertising agency. Click on the option applicable to you. Then click on Done. Now you will be asked where you want to start. So you have 3 options: measure your ad performance, grow your audience, and showcase your brand. In this example, we selected Showcase Your Brand. Click on the option you wish to select. Since I selected the third option, this will be the next step. But if you selected the other option, follow the on-screen instructions for the option you selected. If you also select this option, enter all the required information about your business. After entering all the information, click on Save. That's how you create a Pinterest business account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.